Okay, everyone, to really help understand how something like this occurs, we are going to give examples of some of the interruptions and really categorize them to really give some insight onto what nurses um, go through on a daily basis while doing these really important tasks and while handling medications and really preparing and to administer them. So, sources of interruption from this study was 52% was from another nurse, 22% was from a other patient of theirs, 6% from a doctor or another person, um, patient relative was 4%, the phone 2%, alarm, call button, other allied health professionals, or just other sources. Um, that's where these interruptions can come from. The location is either from the bedside, the corridor, nurse's station, the drug room, and in transit, so while they're actually on their way to administer these. And then what these interruptions are related to, they can range anywhere from questions or discussions about another patient, requests or double check for another patient, social interruptions, questions or discussions about equipment, requests for a dangerous cabinet key, um, questions for about another health professional, where is this person, or anything like that. Those can be considered interruptions. So now I'm going to give an example of how interruptions and our system can cause medication administration errors, and let's see how we can really fix them and really get to the bottom of these issues. So let's say we have an RN who is preparing to administer morning meds for her first patient. She gets interrupted. These interruptions cause her to forget a few of the items that she needs to administer these meds. The item is a flush. She goes to the room. She's preparing to, she gives her PO meds. She gets interrupted in the middle of administering medications, and it could be from any of the things that I mentioned earlier. She picks up where she left off, puts the IV push med, pushes it, and then realizes, I didn't flush the previously running med. And this is a near miss event because it didn't cause harm to the patient. The previously running med and the med that she just administered were compatible, but it could have.